Hi there, I'm Marine Sargsyan from Houzz, the leading platform for residential design and remodeling. Houzz is also known for its software for industry professionals and tools for homeowners to update their homes from start to finish. My role as an economist overseeing our research program is to study the industry and report back to our community. So here I am, reporting back from our most recent Houzz Renovation Barometer, highlighting three main components: business activity in Q3, wait times at the start of the quarter, and expectations for the rest of the year. The recent business activity indicator tracks the business activity in the most recent quarter. The indicator declined slightly to 54 in Q3, as reported by the architectural and design industry sector. However, the score is still above 50, indicating that more architects and interior designers reported improvements in their business activity in Q3 compared to Q2 than those reporting slowdowns. The sentiment is shared across both business groups. The project backlog indicator is based on a survey question that asks businesses to report on the wait time before they can start on a new mid-sized project. The indicator is slightly over 6 weeks nationally. Finally, the outlook, the third component of Houzz Renovation Barometer. Businesses in the design sector remain optimistic. Pros expect improvements in both project inquiries and new committed projects in Q4 compared to Q3. This positive sentiment is shared between two business groups, architects and interior designers, expecting Q4 business activity to be better than of Q3. In summary, businesses in the architectural and design services sector reported that Q3 business performance was slightly better of that in Q2. Project backlogs are hovering around historic norms, and the outlook for the rest of the year is positive. While the indicator above 50 signals about the overall health in the industry, ongoing challenges such as cost and availability of labor and products remains top of mind. A quick side note. You might have already heard that the Federal Reserve has decreased the interest rates for the second time this year. It can potentially create a positive momentum in the industry by fueling business activity and resulting in larger budget projects. I will get back to you in January to report back on Q4 business performance as well as expectations in the new year. I would also love to hear from you reporting directly from the ground. We depend on professionals like you reporting latest trends and insights about the industry. Please feel free to reach out to me directly. Until then, please stay tuned for more insights from Houzz research team. Thank you.